Question is indicate the solution of the following linear inequalities by shading. We have to represent these linear inequalities by shading. Alright, so let's begin. Question is 4x minus 3y. 4x minus 3y. We have to convert this into associated equation or corresponding equation. 4x minus 3y equals to 12. That gives the name equation number 1. And what is it? Associated equation, or you can say that corresponding equation. Alright, now next, x greater than equals to x greater than equals to minus 3 by 2. In other words, x equals to minus 3 by 2. Clear? Now, let's start. As you know, put x equals to 0. So first we this is called first equation, this is called second equation. First we are solving first equation, that is 4x minus 3y equals to 12. Alright, in this put x equal to 0. I hope it's clear. So 4x minus 3y equals to 12. 0 minus 3y equals to 12. Minus 3y equals to 12. Y is equals to 12 over minus 3. 3 is equal to 12. So y is equal to minus 4. I hope it's clear. So what we always we get 0 and minus 4. Alright. Now next. Put y equals to 0. To find x-intercept, put y equals to 0. Put to find y-intercept, put x equal to 0. Alright? Now, 4x minus 3y equals to 12. 4x minus 0 equal to 12. 3y, y 0. So 4x equals to 12 and x equals to 12 by 4. When the purpose is 12. So what is the answer? X equals to 3. So what we get? X is 3, y is 0. I hope it's clear. Alright. Now next step, what is next step? Test point. Test point. PT means test point. Put 0, 0 origin in the given linear inequality. First one, in the given linear inequality. Why we are doing this? I have told you. To check this out, is this true or false? Alright. So question is 4x minus 3y. Next is less than or equals to 12. Put x 0, so go term 0. Put y 0, put term 0. Less than or equals to 12. 0 minus 0, 0 less than or equals to 12. Is this true or false? Is 0 less than 12? Alright? Yes, true. So this inequality is 2. Don't forget. Now take screenshot of it. I will go for the next equality. Alright. For my convenience, I will start here 0 minus 4. First order pair, which is 3 and 0, and suppose the inequality is 2. Alright. Now I am raising it. 2 minus 3 by 2. We can solve it like what is meaning of 3 by 2? 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 left. 1 whole number minus 1 whole number 1 by 2. This is your next equation. Alright. Now next point is test point. In this we don't have y here. Alright. Now test point is put 0, 0 origin in the given inequality. Inequality number 2. So, as you know, x equals to minus 3 by 2. X is 0, equals to minus 3 by 2. Is this true or false? Is 0 is greater than minus 3 Got it? This is the number line 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, so on. So is 0 is greater than negative number -3/2? Yes, it's true. This is also true. 0 is greater than -3/2. All negative values are less than 0. Alright? Now stay tuned with me. Don't forget, I have x equals to -1/2 only. Another about x equals to -3/2. And 0 greater than equals to -3/2 is true. So I just write here x equals to -3/2 or 1/2, and this is a true situation. And these are arrows marked, so origin stands for O. Now next, first one is 0, -4, 3, 0. These are values. So according to the values, I take the values or number on the xy plane. So I take 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite -1, -2, -3, -4. Next is I have x 3/2, 1/2. Similar, just take same values here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite -1, -2, -3, and -4. Alright, now next. This is 1 and this is 4. So first represent x is 0, y is -4. X is 0, y is -4. It must be like here. Next is x is 3, y is 0. X is 3, y is 0. This is the next point. Now by joining these points, I get a straight line. Like these 2 points must. Understood? Arrows must. Actually, it's just removed by my hands. I hope it's clear. 0, -4, just right here. 0, -4 for your remembrance. Next is 0 and 3. This point is called 0 and 3. You got it? Now next. Next is x is -3/2. Now x, first of all, is x only, no y. Secondly, is -3/2. It must be like here. Remember why I write the whole number. I have told you what is meaning of 3/2. Whenever you get the fraction form, just take its decimal form. So 3, 2, 2 ones are 2, 1.0. 2 5s are 10. As what is the answer? 1.5. 1.5 must be lying between 1 and 2. -1, -2 must be like the center of it. Alright? This is 1, this is -2. So, what we do? I don't have y here. So, x equals to -3/2. It must be here -3/2. So, just draw a line parallel to y-axis like that, straight. Just take it down. As you can see, it's just this line is called 0 -4. This is called 0 -3. Sorry, 0, 3 and 0 -4. This point, and this slope is known as 4x -3 y equals to 12. Now next, x equal to -3/2. So this line parallel to y-axis is x equals to -3/2. As I have told you, because x is -3/2, it must be when you divide 3/2, you get 1.5. It must be like between 1 and 2. So this point is known as 1 between 1 and 2 is -3/2. And just draw the line which is parallel to y-axis. Now last and main point. What is it? We have to represent this. Is this true? We have to represent true shading area. As you know, this slope is this, and towards the origin. Where it is? Towards the origin. Origin is 0. Center one. This one. So this is a slope, and this is a point where two lines intersect. So this whole area represents shaded area. But remember one thing, x equals to -3/2 is also true, is also good towards the origin. So what part we shade? This one towards the origin, first like that. Just shade it. towards the origin. Alright. This way. This way. Alright. But next part is also here towards the origin. This is also like that. And we shade up to this intersect point. This is the main point. So this is by shading it is like that. I hope it's clear. I just foiled for your remembrance. This was the graph, alright. First was like that, like this one, this is the 1 point, and next is minus 3 by 2, it is parallel to y-axis, it's like that. This is our meeting point. We have to shade it from that part. As this is origin, it is moved towards the origin, because true. This is the slope, x equals to, what was that? X 4x minus 3y equals to 12. So this slope is towards the origin, it must be like that. Towards the origin, this part. But if this line is also towards the origin, so we will move towards like that. From up to the meeting point. So by joining these 2 points, we get this shaded part. Alright? I hope it's clear. Very simple, very easy. Just remember one thing, the point where 2 lines intersect is from that area you have to start shading. Alright? Definition of the following inequalities by shading. Again, they have given you 2 inequalities and you have to show this inequalities on the xy plane. So let's begin. Solution. Let's give them name and we first convert this into associated or corresponding equation. I have told you 3x plus 7y equals to 21. This is called associated equation or corresponding equation. Alright, now next, x minus y equals to 2. I hope it's clear. Let's give them name. This is called first equation, this is called second equation. Clear? First we solve first one, that is 3x plus 7y equals to 21. Alright, now question number 1. Put x equal to 0. So what it become? 3x plus 7y equals to 21. 0 plus 7y equals to 21. 7y equals to 21. 0 plus 7y. And y equals to 7, 21 divided by 7. What is the answer? 3. So what order appears here? 0 and 3. X is 0, y is 3. Clear? Next, put put y equal to 0. So 3x plus 7y equals to 21. Clear? 3x plus 0 equals to 21. 0, 7 is 0. So 3x equals to 21. X equals to 21 divided by 3. What is the answer? 7. So x is 7, y is 0. Now we have two order pairs 0, 3 and 7, 1. 7, 0. Alright. Copy to test point. And what was that? Put 0 to origin in the given inequality. Put 0, 0 origin in the given equation number 1. What was that? 3x plus 7y equal to 21. But what if this either add in the given inequality? First one, 3x plus 7y then equals to 21. We must write here the given inequality. Inequality. Number 1. Perfect. Alright. Now put this 0, 3, 0 plus 7, 0 equals to, then equals to 21. 3 0 0 plus 7 0 0 then equals to 21. 0 plus 0 then equals to 21. Is this true? Is 0 greater than 31? Think about it. No. What is it? It's a false. X dash y dash. So one is origin 2. Alright. Now we have to represent 0, 3, 7, 0, 2 and 2 and 0. So from this value I have found out that x is 7. or 0. So I just take rest up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Similarly, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Sure? So I have y values are 3, -2, 0, 0. So I take rest up to -1, -2, -3. Similarly, positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. Alright? Now start. First one is x is 0, y is 3. So, x is 0, y is 3. Sorry, x is 0, y is 3. This is your main point. X is 0, y is 3. Next is x is 7, y is 0. X is 7, y is 0. So it must be x is 7, y is 0. Alright, I get this point. Now by joining these points, I get a straight line. So, this 7 and up to 8. I'm trying my level best to show you. So, and then we have draw arrows. Point 7 and 0. Alright? Actually, it's very difficult to go on the board. Alright, 6, 7. This point is 7 and 0. Clear? Now next point. This point is 0 and 3. Alright, for your convenience. Next is x is 0, y is -2. Y is -2, must be here. X is 0, y is -2. Next one is x is 2. Y is 0. X is 2. Y is 0. This is a point. So, by drawing these points, I get another straight line. Here, this one and this one. Now, next, we have to draw the shaded area. Yes, which area is the shaded area? Yes? Yes? You're right. Now, the point where two lines intersect is the shaded area. So first line was this. 3x plus 7y greater than equals to 21. 3x plus 7y equals to 21. This line. Next is x plus y less than equals to 2. Next line is this. X minus y equals to 2. Clear? This one. But we know that area, we need that area that shows the where two lines intersect. This is the meeting point. Alright? So we take this area to shade area. Now, first line was false. First line was false. And next line was true. False means away from origin. What is the origin is this. Line is this. Meeting point is this. We just take this area and away from origin. So it must be like that. Alright? Away from origin. Which is true. Towards the origin. So this line is this line. So this point is the meeting point. So we'll take that point. Towards the origin. Clear? And by shading it, I get this point. This point. And you use your pencil, it will move here. Alright? As you can see, I have these two lines. Like that. This is a meeting point. So, first line was this. Away from origin, false. We are not going there. Why? Because this is not the meeting point. Meeting point is just draw lines to shade the area up to the meeting point. So, alright? This one x-axis, y-axis, sorry. So, this is your away from the origin is this, 0. I'm talking about this away from the origin. Next part is towards the origin. The line was that. Alright? So, towards the origin. By joining these points, these lines, I get a shaded area. Clear? I hope it's clear. Very important and very important. Alright? I hope it's clear. The following linear inequalities by shading. We have to represent these two linear inequalities or by shading. let's figure solution. First, we convert this into associated equation. X plus y equals to 5. What is it? Associated equation. And you can see that corresponding equation. Why I am telling you for two names? Because most of students love to call it associated equation. Some say is corresponding equation. So I want to give you clear it that both names are right. Associated equation or corresponding equation. So next is minus y plus x equals to 1. Ready? So first we put x equals to 1 in equation number 1. We can see that is equation number 1. We can see equation number 2. It's up to you. Alright? Now first we solve equation number 1. X plus y equals to 5, equation number 1. We are solving it first. Alright? Put x equal to 0. So what will become? X plus y equals to 5. 0 plus y equals to 5. Y equals to 5. So what order pairs we get? X is 0, y is 5. Clear? Next, put y equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 5. X is x plus what is y? Y is 0 equals to 5. So x plus 0, x equals to 5. Alright, what we get? X is 5, y is 0. Now we get two order pairs. 0, 5, 5, 0. Alright? The next part is check. Test point. Test point. Put 0, 0 origin when so put x is 0, y is 0, get an equal to 5. Alright, 0 plus 0, 0, get an equal to 5. Is this true? Is 0 is greater than 5? Think about it. No, this is not possible. 0 is less than 5. So this is called false. This equation is false. Any problem here? I hope not. Don't forget, these points are first equation, first order pairs are 0, 5 and 5, 0. And this is false. Don't forget. I'm just writing here for my remembrance because I can remove this. Alright? Now take screenshot of it. I will go for the next. I'm doing it. Alright. Now part 2 is minus y plus x equals to 1. Equation number 2. Now we have to put the values on it. Put x equals to 0. Minus y plus x equals to 1. Minus y plus 0 equals to 1. Minus 1 plus 0. Minus 5 plus 0. Minus 5 equals to 1. And if y move towards there, right hand side become positive. And 1 will go over here. It becomes y equals to minus 1. So our pairs are x is 0, y is minus 1. Clear? Now next, put y equal to 0. Minus y plus x equals to 1. Y is 0 plus x equals to 1. And x equals to 1. 0 plus x, x. So x is 1, y is 0. I get two pairs 0 minus 1, 1 and 0. Alright? Now, test point. PD means test point. Put 0, 0 origin in the given inequality. Number 2, we can say that. What is that? Minus y plus x less than equals to 1. Alright? What is y here? What is y? We have to put 0 here. 0 minus 0 plus 0 less than equal to 1. 0 plus 0. Cancel off. Or it is that 0 plus 0, 0. So 0 less than equal to 1. Is this true or false? Is 0 less than 1? Yes, it's less than 1. Obviously, if I consider that minus 0 plus 0, what's the big deal? Answer is 0. So 0 is less than 1. Less than equal to 1. I hope it's clear. So it's is this true or false? Yes, it's a true statement because 0 is always as a 1. Clear? Now, first points are 0, 5, 5, 0, and that was false. And here we get 2 points, 0 minus 1 and 1 and 0 is 2. Now we have to represent both of it on the xy plane. Don't go anywhere. Take features out of it. By that, center one is origin. Alright? Origin. Now, first we have to represent this. As you know, that is 1, 0, 5, 1, 0, 5. So we have to mark up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we must have to depend upon what's the values we have. So according to these values, we have to mark the on extra planes. I have told you a lot of times. Right now I'm just recalling it. -3, -4, -5. Now by again we have 0, 1, 0, 1. So I can say that this 0, 1 and 2. 1, 2, not like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now let's start. First order was 0, 5. X is 0. Y is 5. What is 5 here? This is your 5, 5. I'm just mentioning it 0 and 5. And you can write here 0 and 5 for my convenience. And you must have to write it like that, alright? Now x is 5, 0, x is 5, y is 0. So it must be here. And you call it point 5 and 0. Clear? Next, we have to join these 2 points. As you can see. Alright? And this is called your line. Line must be arrows in line. And this is called x plus y equals to 5 because we have 2 lines to represent, so that's why we must have parallel points and its line name. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just removed from my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the next one is 0 minus 1, 1, 0. X is 0, y is -1. X is and y. Don't forget. X is 0, y is -1. This is your first point. And x is right here like that. 0, -1. Alright. Next is 1 and 0. X is 1, y is 0. This is your line. X is 1, y is 0. Clear? Now I have 2 points here. 0, -1, 1, 0. So have to join these points like that. Alright? And this is the 9 arrows must. Arrows must. And this is your 9, what we call it? Minus x, we are -5 plus x. So this line is like that. -y plus x equals to 1. This is your whole line. Now, where is the shaded part? The part where 2 lines intersect is called the shaded part. Don't forget. Now, as you can see, we have to draw. First statement is false. False means away from origin. Alright? Away from origin. This is the line. Away from origin means not towards the origin. No. Away from origin is opposite. Right? So, away from origin is, this is the line of first equation. So, it must be like that. Away from origin like that. Alright? I will stand it just to tell you. Next part is 0 minus y upon 0. Towards the origin. Towards the origin means inside. Towards the origin. But we always remember that the point where it starts, we take that part, not the whole area. So as you can see, it's like that. So as first line shows away from the origin, the next line will be towards the origin. Towards the origin means, oh sorry, this is a straight line. So towards the origin. You got it? This is the line. And why we take this part? Because it's the part where two lines intersect. So it must be like that. Towards the origin. can extend it as this is like that. So this looks like. So by joining these points, you get a shaded area. Alright? I'm just maybe just remember this. Alright? Away from origin towards the origin. And this shaded area represents your XY plane. Although why take this part? Because there, if these monotonized meet is called the shaded part. Don't forget. Not in that area, not in that area, not getting that area. It's our main point, don't forget. So we will do what a question on same topic and you will become master of it. Alright, don't one inequality and we have to show this on the graph. But right now they have given us two inequalities and we have to show both of them on the graph. So let's begin how to solve it. Same procedure. First we solve first inequality, then we go on next one. Alright? Let them give their name. Let solution. 2x minus 3y less than equal to 6. Call it first equation. Alright? Number 2. 2x plus 3y less than equal to 12. Call it equation number 2. Alright? This is inequality. We have to convert this into associated equation or corresponding equation. 2x minus 3y, not, this is equals to 6. Alright? This is called associated equation or corresponding equation. Both names are correct. It's up to you what you want to call it. Alright? Now first, as you know, same procedure. Put x equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y equal to 6. 2 into 0 minus 3y equal to 6. 0 to 0 0 minus 3y equal to 6 and 3y minus 3y equal to 6. As 3 is multiplying here, after equals to it will divide. So 6y minus 3 minus 3 equals 6. So y equals to minus 2. Now what are order pairs we get? X is 0 and y is minus 2. I hope it's clear. Alright, now move to next. Put y equal to 0. What it become? 2, wait. Write it down first. 2x minus 3y equal to 6. 2x minus 3 into 0 equal to 6. 2x minus 0 equal to 6. 2x equal to 6. X equals to 3. I hope it's clear. Alright. 0, 0, 0, 0 and 2x minus 0, 2x. 2 is dividing multiplying here. After equal to 2 it will divide, so we get the 3. So what are order pairs we get? 3 and 0. I hope it's clear. X is 3 and y is 0. X is 0, y is minus 2. Now we get to order pair of the first equation. Alright. Now same procedure. Test point. PT means test point. Put 0, 0 origin. PT means point. Alright. This is an abbreviated form of point. Most of us confuse what is PT. PT means point. Alright. Put 0, 0 origin in the given linear equation. Linear inequality. You will say inequality. Original one. Alright. So what was that? 2x minus 3y less than equal to 6. Put x equal to 0. 2, 0 minus 3. What is y? Also 0. Less than equal to 6. 0 minus 0 less than equal to 6. 0 minus 0, 0 less than equal to 6. Is this true? Is 0 is less than 6? Yes, true. So this is your 2 equation. Don't forget. I hope it's clear. First I have solved the first one. Now I will go to the next equation. Just take screenshot of it. Alright. Now move to next equation. Don't forget what are its coordinate pairs. 0 minus 2, 3, 0. I just write here because we know there is no more space. 0 minus 2 and we have 3 and 0, order pairs. And equation was true. Now I'm going to remove it. This. Now jump to number 2. What is this? 2x plus 3y equals to 12. And what is it? It's the associated equation or corresponding equation. I write because don't forget. Alright. Now put x equal to 0 to get the y-intercept. 2, 0 plus 3y equals to 12 in this equation. Number 2. It becomes 0 plus 3y equals to 12. 3y equals to 12. Y is equal to 4. I hope it's clear. 3 divided by 12, 4. So what order base we get? X is 0, y is 4. Alright, next. Put y equals to 0. To get x-intercept, put y equal to 0. So, what is it? 2x plus 3y. 3y 0 equals to 12. 2x plus 0 equals to 12. 2x equals to 12. X equals to 6. Alright? 2 divided by 12, 6. So whatever order base we get, x is 6 and y is 0. I hope it's clear. X is 0, y is 4. X is 6, y is 0. We get two order pairs. Alright? Now, next point, test point. Are they this false or true? Test point. So what is it? Put 0, 0 origin in the given inequality. Now, what equality we use? Equality number 2. You can say that equality number 2. Up to you. Now, what is the equation? 2x plus 3y less than or equals to 12. 2x is 0 plus 3y 0 is equal to 12. 0 plus 0 less than or equals to 12. 0 less than or equals to 12. Is this true? Is 0 less than 12? Yes, true. So this is a true statement. Two equations solved. Alright. Now as you see, from equation number 1, we get two equation. Number 2, we get two equation. Now we have to represent both of the lines on the graph. Don't go anywhere. Just follow me. I just write points here from equation number 2. That is 0, 2, and is 6 and 0. Why I am writing here? Because I have to remove this. Alright. Now, just take screenshot of it. Alright. Running. Because I have to draw the dot. Takes care. Next one. Arrows must. X dash. Y dash. Now, what are order pairs? 2, 6, 3, 4. Simple counting. So, this is the origin. Just write like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Now 0, -1. So I just take here 0, 1, 2, and 3. That's enough. -1, -2, -3. Simple. Now start. First equation was 2x minus 3y is equal to 6. Alright? And its order pairs are 0, -2, and 3 and 0. So first I represent this line number 1. What is that? x is 0, y is minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2. Y is minus 2. This point is called y is minus 2. You got it? Now x is 3, y is 0. 1, 2, 3. X is 0, 3 and y is 0. Same. So, by joining these points, it becomes like that. Just draw a straight line. Alright? Now, arrows must. And what was that? This point is called 0, 3. This point is called 0, minus 2. Alright? And what was this line? Equation was 2x minus 3y equals to 6. You got it? Now next. Next is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So, and order pair is 0, 2, 6, 0. So first order pair is x is 0, y is 2. X is 0, y is 2. 2 must be upward. This is the first point you got. Next, x is 6, y is 0. X is 6 and y is 0. Alright. So by joining these points, I'm just making you mark it. You understand it? Just right here. X is 0, y is 2. Here x is 6, y is 0. Alright? Now, by joining these points, what I get? A straight line like that. Understood? I get a little bit triangle here. Alright? Now, this is the main graph. This is the point where two lines intersect, as you can see from that side. Now, what is what I'm doing? I have to indicate the social region of the polynomial inequalities by shading. We have to represent this by shading. So, as you know, first equation was true. Next was also true. And 2 means towards the origin. Alright? Towards the origin. So first line is 2x plus 3y equal to 6. And next line is this. That is 2x plus 3y equal to 12. You got it? Sorry. Now by taking shaded, by making a shaded pencil, or you can simple pencil, you just shade it. Where? So this is a straight line. I am not shading anything. Don't be confused. It's the x-axis is moving by my hand. Okay. Now, towards x-axis, towards the origin, first is line this one. This line. So, towards the origin means towards upward. Like that. Away from origin means like downside. Opposite. If it is towards the origin is here. So it must be towards the origin. Alright, so this must be shading. Next, up to that, shading. And next is 2x plus 3y towards the origin. And it's like that, so it must be towards the origin. You got it? Actually, it's a little confusing because I am drawing on the board. When you use your pencil, you will notably understand. Alright? And now 2x plus 3y equals 12 towards the origin is here, towards it like that. So by joining these points, like this one and this one, I get a shaded area. You can shade up to that line, like that. Alright, like that. So this is your shading part. You got to understand? It's a little bit confusing, but don't be confused. I have tried to solve for today. It will be more clear to you when we do a lot of questions on same topic. So don't forget to follow my channel Benny Maths with Kamal on YouTube, and also follow my account Benny Maths on TikTok. Till then, take care. Bye. Solve for today. It will be more clear to you when we do a lot of questions on same topic. So don't forget to follow my channel Benny Maths with Kamal on YouTube, and also follow my account Benny Maths on TikTok. Till then, take care. Bye. Show this inequality on the experiment. So let's begin. First, we convert it into associated or the corresponding equation. 2x plus 1 equals to 0. This is called associated equation, or what is it? Corresponding equation. Corresponding equation. As you can see, we don't have y here, so we should just solve it directly. We simply get the value of x. So what we do? 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1 by 2. As 2 is multiplied here, after equal to equal divide. So we get here x equals to minus 1 by 2. Alright, and we don't have y here. Now, what next point is? Test point. Now test point, put 0, 0 origin in the given equality. We have to find out is this true or false. Just add it. Equation was 2x plus 1 just equals to 0. We don't have y here, just put x 0. 2 0 plus 1 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 0. 1 equals to 0. So is this true? 1 greater than 0? Yes, it's true. So this is the true condition. So now we have to present this on the x-y plane. I have told you whenever you are confused how to represent this on the x-y plane, you just divide it. 1 divided by 2. 0.0 to 5 that 10. So answer is 0.5. In other words, x equals to minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. Clear? So you just make values of it. 1 by 2 means 0.5. 2 by 2 means 1. 3 by 2 means 1.5. 4 by 2 means 2. 2 2s are 4. You got it? So instead of writing here decimal values, just write fraction number 0, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Similarly, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2 and minus 2. Clear? Now, similarly, it's up to me because we don't have y here. I can say that 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is up to me what values I take. But it depends on the graph what we get. So right now I will represent x equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means here. It must be here. Negative. It means minus 0.5. So just take it like that. And we don't have y here. So just make this line like that, and just a little bit extended like up to the graph, and arrows must. But as you know, this is true condition. This is not false. True. So whenever it's true, its shaded area will be towards the origin. So it must be like that. Towards the origin. You will use pencil for that purpose. So this is the value, this is the graph that you easily make. I hope it's clear. Very simple, very easy. All graph depends on the values what you take. Alright? 0, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, minus 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2, and minus 2. I hope it's clear. Check the solution for the following inequalities in xy plane. As you know, they have given you one other last question of this topic. 3 by minus 4 is equal to 0. What we do? First we convert this into associated equation. 3 by minus 4 equal to 0, which is called associated equation or corresponding equation. Corresponding equation. So what you like to call it. As you know, they don't give us value of x, so just find the value of y from given equation. 3 variable name say 4 minus 4 after equals to become positive plus 4. And 3 is multiplied here after equals to divide 4 by 3. This is your value of 5. Now we have to check this, is this true or false? So what we goes to just point. Put 0, 0 origin in the origin 0, 0 in the given equation. Given inequality minus 4 less than equal to 0. Now, what we do, just put your name 0 minus 4 is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 4 is equal to 0, and minus 4 is equal to 0. Is this true? Is minus 4 is less than 0? Think about it. Yes, this is true. Now we have another equation that's true. Alright? Very simple, very easy. Now, we are going to present this on the x plane and x here. I have only y values. So y I must take as y, x will be simple. Now, how to present it? 4 by 3 means what? Divide 4 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 1.0, 3 3s are 9, 1 0 3s are 9, so on, so on. So I can say that 4 by 3 means 1.33. Clear? Next, 5 by 3. 5 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3, 2, 0, 0.0. 3 6 are 18, 2, 0. 3 6 are 18, 2, 0. So on, so on. So we can say that 5 by 3 means 1.66. Alright, so on, so on. Next is 6 by 3. It must be 2. Now last is 7 by 3. So 7 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1.03. 3s are 9, 1 0 3s are 9. So this must be 2.33. Alright, by converting decimal again is what value should I take? So y equal to 4 by 3. Next is 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3. So these values must be represented on the y plane, not x plane, because they are given only y values. So y must be like that, 4 by 3. Next is 5 by 3. Next is 6 by 3. Last is 7 by 3. You got it? Opposite. Minus 4 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Minus 6 by 3. And last is minus 7 by 3. Alright? 3, minus 3, 2, 3, like that. You can exercise it here 1, 2, 3. I don't need these values. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now next, take the graph. Y equals to 4 by 3. So what is 4 by 3? It must be here. The 4 by 3. We don't have x. Just make it and like that. A straight line. Parallel x-axis. Like that. Alright. This is 5 by 3. 6 by 3. 1. I hope you understand. This is 4 by 3. Alright. Now, what is it? This is a true value. True value means towards the origin. So it must be here like that. I just shaded it like that. Towards the origin. You will do by using your pencil shaded pencil. This is how it presents the answer. This is all your rough one. You don't need to do on the graph paper. Just your rough one. Then you just take these values. 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 7 by 3, so on, so on. I hope it's clear. Very simple, very easy. These are all multiples that must come in 5 exams. So what life is going. So 3x plus 7y associated equation or corresponding equation. Got it? Both names are same. So first we represent this on number on the x plane. first we find is ordered pairs. So that's purpose. First, put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Then what will happen? This is a right here. Put x equal to 0. So put next x equal to 0 in first equation. What is equation number 1? All right. 3x plus 7y equals to 21. If x equal to 0 plus 7y equals 21. 0 plus 7y equals 21. 7y equals to 21. Y equals to divided by 7. 21 over 7. 7 such 21. Y equals to 3. So order pairs what we get if x equal to 0, 0 and 3. I hope it's clear. Alright. Now jump to next part. Put x equals to put y equals to 0. If y equals to 0, then what will happen? 3x plus 7y equals to 21. Put 3x plus y 0, 7. 7 and 0 equals 21. Alright. 3x 7 0 0 equals 21. 3x plus 0 3x equals 21. X equals to 21 over 3, 3 over 3 becomes 21. So answer is x equals to 3. So x equals to 7. Alright. Now, so what will be the order pairs we get at that point? X equals to 7 and y equals to 0. Now, by putting x equal to 0, I get order pairs 0 and 3. By putting y equal to 0, I get order pairs 7 and 0. I hope it's clear. Now, next point is test. Test point. Test point is that we have to verify it out of this equation inequality is true or false. For that purpose, what we do? Put origin 0 0. Put 0 0 origin in the given inequality. The question that they have given us inequality. What was that? 3x plus 7y. 3x plus 7y then equals to 21. Now put x 0, 3 into 0 plus 7 into 0 equals to 21. 0 plus 0 can equals to 21. 0 can equals to 21. Is this true or false? Is 0 is greater than 21? Is this true? Think about it. Yes, it is not possible. 0 is always less than 21. This is not greater than 21. In that condition, this inequality is false. Alright? Not true. Paired on the x5 plane. x5 plane is this one. So, after represent x is 0, y is 3. First, x is 7, y is 0. So, it must be up to 7. This is up to you. You have to take these points according to the ordered pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Now, I will represent this. X is 0, y is 3. X is 0, y is 3. It must be here. This part is known as x is 0, y is 3. Next is x is 7, y is 0. X is 7, y is 0. X is 7, y is 0. Now by joining these 2 points, x and y, it's a straight line. So, no, arrows must. Now, next step is, as you can see, answer is false. But with particular origin 0, 0 in the given inequality, answer we get false. So whenever the condition is false, then you have to make the area shaded so away from the origin. Towards origin was downside. Away from origin must be like that. You have to shade like that. outside. And using this marker, you will solve it by using your pencil. Alright? But I am telling you how to do it on that I'm working on the board, so that's why it shows like that. But you have to do it by using pencil. So you have to shade it like that. And by joining these 2 points, it seems like a plane. Straight plane, like a scale. Alright? So, whenever you have to shade the area, it must be away from origin, then it says false. Away from origin, outside. And if it is towards origin, like inside, you got it? I have told you. First, we have to convert this into associated or corresponding equation. So, what is it? 5x minus 4y less than equals to 22. And so this equation is called associated equation or corresponding equation. Alright? Is that you what you call it? Associated equation, okay? Corresponding equation, okay. Now, first we have to represent this on the xy plane. For that purpose, we need ordered pairs. So, what is it? Put x equal to 0 in the given equation. This is called equation number 1. Alright, put this x equal to 0 in equation number 1. 5x minus 4y equal to 20. 5 into 0 minus 4y equals to 20. 0 minus 4y equals to 20. And y equals to 20, y minus 4. Y equals to 20. So answer is minus 5. So at x equal to 0, y is minus 5. This is our first order pair. Any problem here? I hope not. Now next, put y equals to 0. Put y equals to 0. So 5x minus 4y equals to 20. 5x will remain same. Minus 4, what is y? 0 equals to 20. Alright. 5x. Okay. 5x minus 0 equals to 20. And 5x equals to 20. X equals to 20 by 5. What is the answer? 4. So at y equal to 0, if x is answer is 4 and 0 order pairs we get. And problem here? I hope not. Now to test the point that is this inequality false or true. So that's our purpose. Test point. If you write here test PD, it's also called point. Like point equals to PT. If I write PT, it's okay. I'm just telling you short abbreviation of it. Now test point. Test point is what? Put 0, 0 origin in the given linear inequality. We have to add 0, 0 in the given inequality. So what is it? 5x minus 4y less than equals to 20. What is 5x0 minus 4y0 less than equals to 20? 0 minus 0 less than equals to 20. 0 less than equals to 20. Is this true or false? Is 0 less than 20? Just think about it. Yes, it is true. 0 is always less than 20. So this equation is true. Alright. Now on the basis of this, we will get our shaded area above or low towards origin or towards origin or arrows must x dash y dash. We have to represent minus 5, 4, 0. So I will definitely mark up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Similarly, 1, 2, sorry, -1, -1, -3, -4, -5. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. We can add 6, 7 up to so on, but right now I think it's enough to present this. So, first order pair is 0 and -5. If x is 0 and y is -5, not upward, downward. 5 -5 is must point here. Now next, x is 4, y is 0. If y is 0, again this point, and 4 is this one. So this point is known as 0 and -5. 0 and -5. Alright? And this point is known as 4 and 0. By joining these points, we get a line. Be joining by these 2 points. Alright, and arrow must. This is a line which got 2 points, 4, 0 and 0 -5. Yeah? Now, this is called, now wait. Now, is this true or false? Yes, it is true. Whenever it is true, then shading area will be towards the origin. And when it is false, shading area will be away from origin. So what we do, just is true. So we will just shade the area towards the origin, inside. You will do by your pencil. Actually, I am representing this on board, so that's why I have to do like that. So, alright? And now, in the end, we will join these points, join these 2 lines like that. This is the shaded area. Alright? Simple as that. And this is called 5x minus 4y equals to 20. This slope is called 5x minus 4y equals 20. I hope it's clear. Inequalities in xy plane. We have to represent this inequality on the xy plane. So let's begin. First, convert this into associated equation. 2x plus y equal to 6. This is called associated equation, or you can say that corresponding equation. This is up to you what you want to call it. Alright? So, first we have to find the ordered pairs, then we will represent this on our xy plane. For that purpose, if x equal to 0, then this equation becomes 2, 0 plus y equal to 6. 0 into 0, 0 plus y equal to 6, and we can say that y equals to 6. Y equal to 6. So if x equal to 0, then y equals to 6. This is order pair you got it. Now next, if y equal to 0, then what will happen? So 2x plus 0 equal to 6. 2x will remain same, equal to 6, x equals to 3, 2 divided by 6, 3. So, if y equal to 0, then x equals to 3 and y equal to 0. I hope it's now we get 2 ordered pairs, 0, 6 and 3, 0. Alright, before representing on this on number 9, or sorry, on xy plane, you must have to check this out. Is this true or false? And what's the procedure for it? This is called test point. You have to remember, this is called test point. PT means test point. Alright, now put 0, 0 origin. Put 0, 0 origin in the given equation. In the given equation. And what was given? Original equation 2x plus y less than equal to 6. 2x plus y less than equal to 6. Alright, put 0, 0. 2, 0 plus 0 equal to 6. Any problem here? I hope not. Now, solve it. 2 zeros are 0 plus 0 equal to 6. 0, sorry, this is less than equal to 6. Okay, less than equal to 6. Now tell me, is this true or false? Is 0 less than and equal to 6? Obviously, this is true. Yes, 0 is less than 6. So this is a true equation. Alright, this is a true equation. Says x dash y dash. Understood that is 0 1 to 6 and minus 1 to 6 and 1 to 6 and minus 1 to 6. Alright. Now you can represent this order pairs first. First is x is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. This must be here. Next, x is 3, y is 0. X is 3, y is 0. So it must be like here, 3, 0 point. And here it is 0 and 6 point. Alright, x is 3, y is 0. So now by joining these 2 points, what we get, as you can see, I am drawing these 2 points here. Alright. Now it must have arrows in it because I am drawing these 2 points. Now main point is this, as when I feed 0 0 in the equation, in the given equation, I get 0 less than equal to 6. It means this is true. And whenever the condition is true, 0 is actually already 0 is less than 6, then this line will be towards the origin, like just shaded. Question was shade the solution region. So now I'm shading it towards the origin. So by joining these 2 points, it must be like that. It represents a plane. Shaded part will be towards the origin. Alright? I hope it's clear. Question was that to represent this linear inequality on the xy plane, and this must be in a shaded area. Shaded area will be like that towards the origin because the condition was true. Alright, and if it is false, then it will move away from origin. Don't worry, I will question on it, you will learn more clearly. Alright, so right now I am just shading it towards the origin. This is your answer. I hope it's clear. And this, so I'm saying 3x minus 2y equal to 6 because we have to represent this on xy plane, so we must have to convert this into equality sign. In other words, associated equation or corresponding equation. I hope it's clear. Clear? Now next. First we have to find the ordered pairs, and ordered pairs are like that. Put x equal to 0, then what will happen? 3x minus 2y equal to 6. 3, 0 minus 2y equal to 6. This becomes 4 term comes 0 minus 2y equal to 6 and minus 2y equal to 6 and y equals to minus 3. 2 divided by 6 minus 3. So what we get ordered pairs here, 0 and minus 3. 0 and minus 3. Next is if x equals to y equal to 0, put y equal to 0. So 3x minus 2y equal to 6. 3x minus 2 minus, sorry, y equal to 0, put y equal to 0 equals to 6. So it becomes 3x minus 0 equal to 6. 3x minus 0, 3x equal to 6. X equal to 6 divided by 3, what is the answer? 2. So order pair here, x with 3 is multiplied thereafter it will divide. So 6 divided by 3 is answer 2. So x is 2 and y is 0. I get two order pairs. 0 minus 3, 2 and 0. Clear? Now next. Next is we have to test point. Test point. And what is it? Put 0, 0 in the given inequality. Put 0, 0 origin in the given inequality. So what it becomes? Equation is 3x minus 2y greater than equal to 6. Put x is 0 and y is also 0. Greater than equal to 6. 0 minus 0 greater than equal to 6. 0 greater than equal to 6. Is this true? 0 is greater than equal to 6? Just think about it. Is 0 is greater than 6? No. So what is it? It's a false. False equation. I hope it's clear. And whenever it is false, it will the shaded area will be away from the origin. And when it is true, it will towards the origin. How? Don't go anywhere. I will do it. Just remember these points. Points are 0, minus 3 and 2 and 0. They have to represent these ordered pairs on the xy plane. So let's begin. I'm just removing it. Now, take your scale and I'm trying my level best to show you this one and alright. Now next, arrows must. Well, these are two lines. This is called origin 0, 0, x, x dash, y, y dash. Now what we do? We have to represent these order pairs. First is 0 and minus 3. So that purpose I must write here and 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposite minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Upside 1, 2, 3, 4. Downside minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Alright, now let's begin. 0 minus 3. X is 0, y is minus 3. It must be here. X is 2. Y is 0. It must be here. Now as you can see, this is first, second, third, fourth quadrant. So our values are lying in fourth quadrant. Don't be worried, just do it as it is, 2 and 0. So by joining these 2 points, I get a line. And against the line, so you represent it like arrows. Alright. Now as note, the answer is false. Equation is false. It will not move towards the origin. It will move towards the away from origin. I am shading away from origin. So you have to shade it by using your pencil away from it, because in this question we are finding the shaded part. Shade the social relation for the folding inequality in XY plane. So as it's false, so we will shade opposite, not away from the origin. And by joining these lines, I get a plane like that. This is your answer. And your equation must be like that. 3x minus 2y equals to 6. I hope it's clear. Sometimes questions come like that. I just want you to understand how you will solve it. Let's begin. Question is given that 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 7 and 1 less than equal to y less than equal to 5. Find. In other words, they have given you range. They have given 2 ranges. Values of x lie between 0 to 7 and y values lie between 1 and 5. Between 0 to 7, between 1 to 5. It's the value of y, it's the value of x. You got it? Now what we have to find? Number 1, the greatest possible value of x plus y, the greatest possible value of x minus y, the largest possible value of xy, the smallest possible value of x by y, and the least and greatest possible value of x square. So let's begin. First is part 1. We have to find greatest possible value of x plus y. As you know, they have given us two ranges, 0 to 7, 1 to y. Here, least possible value of x is 0 to 7. Alright, this is show range 0 to 7. Whereas next one is, they have given you variable y and its range is from 1 to 5. Alright, the question is for the greatest possible value of x plus y. It means we want that value of x, that value of y. By adding both of it, I get greatest possible value of x plus y. So that purpose, obviously, I will use higher power. I'm saying power, higher number 7. 7 plus 5, then you get the x plus y. You got it? So how to solve it? Simple. They are asking you x plus y. So equals to, what is x here? Highest possible value of x is 7 and highest possible value of y is 5. By adding both of it, I get my answer. X plus 1. 12. Answer. I hope it's clear. Alright. We have to find the value of greatest possible value of x plus y. So greatest possible value will become by adding greatest numbers. So we add 7 and 5. I get 12 answer. I hope it's clear. Now jump to possible value of x minus y. What it means? We want least value of x minus y. In other words, we want that numbers by subtracting both x minus y, and I got least value of x minus y. Remember one thing, on number 9, what is higher, what is lower? I knew 0 is the main point, center point. Towards right all are positive. Towards left all are negative. Alright? As you know, minus 1 is less than 1. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. Whereas here 1 is less than 2. Alright? You all know that towards all numbers are positive and all positive numbers are always greater than the negative numbers. Alright? Now, question is we got that number whose by subtracting x minus y, I got least value of x minus y. So least value will be what? 0 is the midpoint, least is negative. You got it? But in negative, minus 2 is less than minus 1. Similarly, minus 5 is less than minus 4. Minus 3 is less than minus 2. You got it? So we want least value of x minus 1. This is the main point. You must remember it. Alright? So, what is x here? So, problem is I have to find x minus 1. I want that value of x from which we subtract y, the value of y, to get least possible answer. Here we have four numbers, 0, 7, 1, 5. Alright, if I do 0, x is 0, y is 1, it becomes minus 1. Alright, alright. If I take 7, sorry here it is 7 and 5. Alright, 7 minus 5, it becomes 2. But 2 is greater than minus 1. But I got least value. So it maybe another thing would be possible. If I take value of x as 0 and value of y is minus 5, then it will give you minus 5 answer. Alright, in other words, minus 5 is less than minus 1. Minus 5 is less than minus 1. We want least value. Not lower value, least value. To get the least value, so what we do, this value is applicable. So you will say x, we take x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 5, then you get minus 5 answer. You got least value of x minus y. I hope it's clear. Alright, we want that answer. This is the main point to get the least value. So least value will be what? How we get it? Just arrange these numbers And then think about it, how we can get least value. 0 minus 1 minus 1, but minus 1 is greater than minus 5. We want least value. So this least value will become 0 minus 5, then we get the minus 5. I hope it's clear. It's the main point. Don't forget. Now I am removing this. This is a very confusing point, but it's also a very main point. Number C. The largest possible value of xy. So largest possible value of xy will be 1. As you know, they have given you 4 quantities, 1, 7, 1, 5 numbers, alright? So I want largest value of xy. I want largest xy means largest product of x and y. So what is the highest value of x? 7. What is the highest value of y? 5. Simple, you do it like that. Xy equals to x is 7 into 5. 7 5 is a 35 answer. I hope it's clear. I got largest answer. So largest answer will become, I can take largest values x and y. I hope it's clear. Now